Theta value equivalent to 19.1849 rands a coin. The present cost range 18.8062 to 19.3805. The earlier day close 19.2738. The change was 0.0889, 0.46%. Converse rate ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Theta cost forecast on Monday, April 3, cost 19.93 rands, high 21.33, low 18.53. Theta gauge on Tuesday, April 4, cost 20.04 rands, high 21.44, low 18.64. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, April 5, cost 19.48 rands, high 20.84, low 18.12. Theta gauge on Thursday, April 6, cost 20.71 rands, high 22.16, low 19.26. Theta cost forecast on Friday, April 7, cost 20.99 rands, high 22.46, low 19.52. In multi-week Theta gauge on Monday, April 10, cost 20.03 rands, high 21.43, low 18.63. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, April 11, cost 20.21 rands, high 21.62, low 18.80. Theta gauge on Wednesday, April 12, cost 19.73 rands, high 21.11, low 18.35. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, April 13, cost 19.04 rands, high 20.37, low 17.71. Theta gauge on Friday, April 14, cost 20.04 rands, high 21.44, low 18.64. In about 14 days Theta cost forecast on Monday, April 17, cost 19.16 rands, high 20.50, low 17.82. Theta gauge on Tuesday, April 18, cost 19.80 rands, high 21.19, low 18.41. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, April 19, cost 19.07 rands, high 20.40, low 17.74. Theta gauge on Thursday, April 20, cost 19.54 rands, high 20.91, low 18.17. Theta cost forecast on Friday, April 21, cost 18.52 rands, high 19.82, low 17.22. In 3 weeks Theta gauge on Monday, April 24, cost 19.54 rands, high 20.91, low 18.17. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, April 25, cost 19.60 rands, high 20.97, low 18.23. Theta gauge on Wednesday, April 26, cost 18.54 rands, high 19.84, low 17.24. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost 19.78 rands, high 21.16, low 18.40. Theta estimate on Friday, April 28, cost 20.74 rands, high 22.19, low 19.29. In about a month Theta cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost 22.43 rands, high 24.00, low 20.86. Theta estimate on Tuesday, May 2, cost 22.22 rands, high 23.78, low 20.66. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Theta cost expectation for April 2023. First and foremost cost at 18.52 rands. Exorbitant cost 22.46, while low cost 17.22. They found the middle value of cost 19.74. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 20.74. Change for April 12.0%. Theta estimate for May 2023. At the outset cost at 20.74 rands. Excessive cost 24.57, while low cost 19.56. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 21.81. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 22.37, change for May 7.9%. Theta cost expectation for June 2023. Initially cost at 22.37 rands. Excessive cost 22.37, while low cost 18.68. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 20.88. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 20.09, change for June 10.2%. Theta estimate for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 20.09 rands. Exorbitant cost 24.78, while low cost 20.09. They found the middle value of cost 22.03. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 23.16, change for July 15.3%. Theta cost expectation for August 2023. First and foremost, cost at 23.16 rands. Exorbitant cost 28.75, while low cost 23.16. They found the middle value of cost 25.49. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 26.87, change for August 16.0%. Theta estimate for September 2023. First and foremost, cost at 26.87 rands. Exorbitant cost 26.87, while low cost 20.99. They found the middle value of cost 24.33. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 22.57, change for September 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for October 2023. First and foremost, cost at 22.57 rands. Exorbitant cost 22.57, while low cost 17.63. They found the middle value of cost 20.43. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 18.96, change for October 16.0%. Theta gauge for November 2023. To start with, cost at 18.96 rands. Exorbitant cost 22.23, while low cost 18.96. They found the middle value of cost 20.23. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 20.78, change for November 9.6%. Theta cost expectation for December 2023. To start with, cost at 20.78 rands. Exorbitant cost 21.89, while low cost 19.03. They found the middle value of cost 20.54. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 20.46, change for December 1.5%. Theta gauge for January 2024. To start with, cost at 20.46 rands. Exorbitant cost 20.46, while low cost 16.97. They found the middle value of cost 19.04. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 18.25, change for January 10.8%. Theta cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset, cost at 18.25 rands. Excessive cost 22.28, while low cost 18.25. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 19.90. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 20.82, change for February 14.1%. Theta conjecture for WAC 2024. At the outset, cost at 20.82 rands. Excessive cost 20.82, while low cost 18.02. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 19.76. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 19.38, change for spring 6.9%. Theta cost expectation for April 2024. At the outset, cost at 19.38 rands. Excessive cost 19.38, while low cost 15.14. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 17.55. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 16.28, change for April 16.0%. ZAR to Theta conversion scale equivalent to 0.0521 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.0516-0.0532. The earlier days nearby 0.0519. Change for now plus 0.0002 plus 0.39%. ZAR to Theta cost expectation